Let's say we have 8 students, roughly 7 or 8 years old, all sat in front of us. We are drilling greetings, feelings, happy, sad, angry, sentence structure. How do you feel today? I feel happy today. I feel sad today. Okay, easy, right? First, we're drilling using TPR actions and then we practice. Now, we want to play a quick fire game or activity. Okay? Now, in this example, I haven't prepared anything for class. I've come in cold. I've no flashcards, I've no balls, I've no props, I have no lesson plan. I look around the room and I notice I have 4 spare kids' chairs. Boom! That's literally all I need to play 5 games straight away. All the students are facing me and sitting down. First, I'll put 2 chairs in front of them. I show them example by myself physically, or if I have a TA, I'll get a TA to join me and we'll do the example together. This helps the little ones understand what we expect. Now, this game can be used for 4-year-olds or 5-year-olds or older. You just need to think about what adjustments and level appropriate needs to factor in, and you can change it for any level. So, then I get 2 students to stand up on each end and I drill with them, and then I shout, go. They run around the chairs and back to their seat. Nice. High five, next 2 stand up, drill, run, repeat. Okay, that's a nice, fun and easy to execute game. And remember, it might sound a little boring to you and even to older students, but the younger learners will love it. And if you sound enthusiastic and excited, they will be too. Remember, your attitude in the classroom rubs off on the children. If you are excited and energetic, then they will be too, and they will feed off that energy. Similarly, if you look bored or fed up, then they will be too. So now, let's start the variations. First, we can add teams. Divide them into 2 teams and do it as a relay. Drill first and shout go. The first 2 run around the chair, high five the next person, and off they go. It works best with even numbers, but if it's odd numbers, you can easily get the captain or the first student to run twice from the odd number team. There's always a way around it. Next, instead of high fives, they can pass a ball of paper to the next person, or a shoe, or a book, anything you can find. Now you can go back to the individuals, and this time we'll make them jump around the chairs instead of running, and then we can make them hop around the chairs instead of running, and then we can get them to run around the chair 2 times before sitting down, and then 3 times. Do you see what I mean? These little tweaks make the games sustainable, interesting and more engaging, and they make it easier for the teacher. Work smarter, not harder. Now let's move on to the bulk of the lesson. We might be drilling some phonics here, or some animals, fruits, jobs, whatever the vocabulary is and whatever the sentence structure is, you can break it up by using these chair activities. Now I use all 4 chairs. Students will come out and sit on the chairs. I'll drill, 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 and then I shout go, and they race back to their original chairs, and the last to sit down has to say the vocabulary again. Bear in mind, I am constantly giving praise, positive reinforcement and stars, high fives for everybody. There are no losers in these games, and nothing to stress the younger levels out. Older levels, you can still use these with harder sentences and more challenging parts and competition. Maybe have them walk backwards to a chair or blindfolded. Then I get the next 4 out and repeat, and then after that I'll tweak it once again. The students will come out onto the chairs, I'll drill, 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 I'll shout go, and the kids will run around the chair and sit back on the same chair.